We are Royal Swiss Auto Services, a renowned ESMA-certified luxury car service center with a long history of satisfied customers. Our mission is to revolutionize the vehicle repair industry by providing dealership-level services at competitive pricing. We have 120 lifters in our state-of-the-art workshop and can handle more than 150 cars per day, utilizing advanced diagnostic instruments and equipment. As the largest electric car servicing center in the UAE, we feature free electric car charging stations to support sustainability. We say yes to car recovery services with 20-plus well-maintained tow vehicles that are insured and readily accessible to provide quick assistance. In acknowledgement of our consistent and high-quality work in the auto repair business, we were named the Best Workshop of the Year at Automechanica 2022. With our continual expansion to serve more people, we will soon be launching new locations in Saudi Arabia and Sharjah. In a relentless pursuit of excellence, we're not just growing, we're evolving into an unstoppable force, driven by our unwavering commitment to deliver nothing short, but the best.